In our video on data validation, we looked at how you could control what information could be entered into a particular cell or range of cells. In this video, we're going to take a look at data protection, which allows us to control who can enter information into a cell, range of cells, or in fact, whole sheet. The first thing you want to do is go to the Data option in your menu bar and click Protect Sheets and Ranges. Once you do this, it will bring up our Protect Sheets and Ranges sidebar. Next thing you want to do is click Add a Sheet or Range. You need to give a name to your protected range so that you can find it easily later if you've got multiple created. Then you want to select your range. To do so, you can either type in the range that you're looking for, or clicking on this window will allow you to click and highlight the area that you want to protect. Once you click OK, you can then move on to setting your permissions. If you click on Set Permissions, it opens up our Range Editing Permissions window. Within this, you have a couple of options. Firstly, you can choose Show a Warning when editing this range. This means that a warning will come up that this range is protected and that you probably shouldn't be editing it. However, if you want more restriction than this, then you can click Restrict who can edit this range. Within this, you can add people who are added to the document already or additional names and decide who can and can't edit. By unclicking a name, you can remove that person's permissions from editing the range that you've selected. This means that when they try to edit this particular range of cells, the input will be rejected. To protect a whole sheet, you follow quite a similar process. All you need to do is click Add a Sheet or Range, but this time, instead of selecting Range, you want to select Sheet. Once you do, you are given a drop-down menu with which you can choose from your sheet tabs below. Choosing whichever one you want will run you through the exact same process as before. Do note that you can set up exceptions with this as well. For example, if you have a page where you want someone to complete certain cells within the sheet but not others, then you can do so here as well. Clicking Add a Sheet or Range and selecting Sheet, you'll see that we have a box that we can tick that says Accept Certain Cells. Ticking this brings up a box where once again you can enter the range that you want to exclude from your protection. Selecting these tick boxes, I can then once again click OK, set my permissions, and once it's done, only these cells will be editable within this sheet. As a final note, you can view all protected ranges by going back to the Protected Sheets and Ranges sidebar. This will show you all active protected ranges on a particular sheet. Clicking on this button will show you all of the ones within the whole document. You can edit these at any time just by clicking on them, allowing you to rename them, change the range, change your permissions, or delete them altogether. Thanks for watching. Here at the Live Learning Company, we aim to take the hassle out of tech and put the human back into digital training. We deliver scalable training sessions in productivity and collaboration apps such as Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Our sessions are delivered live by trainers, meaning you can ask questions as you learn. Click on the link to see our website and learn more.